Hi everyone, welcome to the Honey Sugar Florals YouTube channel. I'm starting to do something a little bit different where you'll start to hear my voice for the instruction side of this. For today, I'm going to be making a pampas grass arrangement that you can use for weddings or just if you want to enjoy it inside your house. The main ingredient for this is the pampas grass and a few other dry flowers. So as you can see here, there was the California pampas grass, bunny tail, the bleached Italian ruscus. I got some white ranunculus, some white freesia, and then last but not least, some pink spray roses here for some highlighted colors. And I got a lot of these flowers actually at Trader Joe's, or the pampas grass. I cut them myself in California there. For this arrangement, I use a fairly large vase that I had purchased at Home Goods. And so I think in some of these areas you might have Home Goods or TJ Maxx. You can always get a vase there. A white one worked really well here. I use, again, with the metal wire, I love using floral wire. So you can find that at Michael's. To start with, I put in some pampas grass. It doesn't really matter what direction you put it in. Just start sticking them in there and see how you like it. No really rhyme or reason to why I put it in certain positions here. And then the second is I like to add my bunny tails just so I can follow the form of the pampas grass to give it some movement. So here I've added a few of the bunny tails that I got from California as well. Continue to add all of your bunny tails. There's no perfect number for this, so keep adding them until you think you have enough movement. A little bit after that, I decided to put in the bleached Italian ruscus. So the Italian ruscus I actually got at a wholesaler that I work with out in Oakland, California. It's very it's beautiful in person, and so I ended up just putting in one. For this bleached Italian ruscus, I only put in one stem for this arrangement. Unfortunately, I only bought one stem back from California with me and left the rest at home with my parents. So that's why I only have one in here. I probably would have added a little more if I had a few left. And then I went ahead and added the freesia. Again, it's a larger bloom and some movement there, so I added that after the Italian ruscus. For my normal weekly arrangement, I like to go to Trader Joe's, as you can see in my other videos. Again, Trader Joe's has a lot of varieties, and depending on what week you come in, you see different flowers at the store. So this week they actually have freesia in there, which is fairly new. So I picked up a bunch, and this was about $4.99 for a bunch of them. They smell pretty amazing, so if you don't like fragrant too much, it might be too strong, but if you do, great flowers to bring home. Now let's start putting in the ranunculus. I also got this at Trader Joe's. Lately, in the last 3 months, my Trader Joe's out here in Foxborough has beautiful ranunculus for $5.99 for a bunch, which usually comes in like 10 in the bunch. This in particular, the white one that I picked up, the bloom is beautiful. It's not as I guess fragile as your normal ranunculus. This one ended up being a great buy. It's been a few weeks since, well, not a few weeks, sorry, about 7 days since I bought it, and look at the bloom. It's bloomed even more and it's beautiful. So again, definitely recommend Trader Joe's. Now to break up the cream and the white, I bought a really beautiful light and dark pink spray rose from Trader Joe's. These are about $5.99 as well, or $6.99. I can't remember exactly, but you get quite a bit. I like to just kind of give some color contrast to this, and so the two different tones with the spray rose really worked well with this arrangement. You don't have to put a lot in, but I think I ended up putting about, I don't know, 7 stems in here, and every stem has about 4 buds with them, so you get a lot of flowers when it comes to a spray rose. Okay, so just put the last few in here, and once you get that all in there, just do some final adjustments to your arrangement, make sure it's exactly what you like, and it's done. I'm going to end the video here. If you have any sort of arrangement you would like me to make for the tutorial, please do comment below. And I would like to say thank you again for watching these videos. Bye!